Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add music to your Instagram post 2024. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a music to the Instagram post? So this is a so important thing. So to add a music to Instagram post which make it so viral. So just click on this plus symbol on the top, just click on the post and add the image that you just needed. After adding the image, just apply the filters and click on the next option. And here you will see an option called add music on the bottom section. Click on this and then you just can scroll down or browse for you, or just browse it, or you can just search whatever you just needed. And for an example, I'm just going to drums. Okay, so after just click here and play the thing, and you can just change the lyrics section and click on the OK option on the top. Now the music has been added. You can see on the bottom section. You can just also delete or remove whenever you just need it before posting, and click on the share option. Now your post has been shared with the music. So I just going to swipe here, and you just can see the actually the music symbol over here. You just turn it on so you can hear the music, and you can also see the lyrics of the music has been mentioned here. It's actually added on the post. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.